When we talk about asset management, this is what we're talking about. So we're looking at the vendor, we're looking at what the product is, the numbers of users, what kind of license format it is. We could have some information then in the middle here about kind of where the servers are. We could certainly have this kind of geographic restriction as well. So we can see whether it's kind of WAN, you are able to use it globally. Is it LAN, so restricted just to an office or a geographic location? What kind of purchase type, subscription, maintenance, and so on. And then we have some details that we can add here about who's responsible for that. And if I just simply go down and look at a number of these vendors here, this is the idea being this is one place that we can store all this information. So we can see that we've stored kind of our perpetual license subscription agreement, maybe some details on discounts, who the vendor is, who the contacts are, and I was always surprised just how quickly these people get replaced on a multi-year basis. So it's good to know who to call, when to call them. Then talking about asset management, going back to knowing what you've got, we've got a list of all of our licenses here, the quantities, and if you want to, some people love this, they store the purchase orders as well, that kind of covers how those licenses came about. So you've got a whole kind of history at that level. There's a number of reports in here looking at kind of subscription and so on. This is reporting at that top level, really talking about that compliance and audit kind of defense.